What's up, Bulldogs? How y'all doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Guys, we got a new dog. See, there he is. Duke. Duke.
His name is Duke.
It tickles. He's a lab mixed with a beagle. What are you doing? Yeah.
He's super playful.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Guy. Ah!
And he, look.
He bit my tooth.
Show him.
He's gonna chase him. Ow! Ow!
Dude. Oh.
When we first got him, he was... We just got him like 2 days ago. The first time we had him, he was like super lazy. And now he's playful and he's just playing with you. There he is. Hey! Ow! 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 Okay, Chase Landon. Anyway, guys, I am gonna walk outside. Hey! Our last dog, Bear, he passed away. Not gonna tell y'all how. He passed away, and my little brother was super sad, and so we went and got him the other night from one of my dad's friends. He was giving them away. He was the last. The mom had four dogs. All four of them was lab mixed with beagle, and he was the only one that lived.
And the mom was the lab and the dad.
The mom was the lab and the daddy's the beagle. I don't know how that worked.
Because they have, I can't say it on camera. Just for kids who's watching.
There, come here, Duke.
Duke, no.
Come here, Duke. He tries to bark every now and then, but he still can't find his bark.
He can bark, but he don't.
There it goes. I just caught one of his barks on camera. So he is a cute little dog. I mean, you should see him outside running.
Yeah, it's cute.
I mean, he's actually lost a little bit of weight since we had him, because when we got him, he was fat.
He was heavy.
He was heavy.
Ah!
What did he do?
He bit me. Come here, buddy.
So
He woke me up at 4 in the morning.
he is a cute little dog. Let's go out here. It's kind of chilly out. I'm walking out here in shorts and socks on. I'm dumb. Anyway, we still have our other two dogs. Where's Jordan? Jordan! Jordan! Jordan is around here somewhere. We got who? Get his leash so he won't go to the road. Man, run back there to my room and get my Crocs for me. I would go back there and get it myself, but I got YouTube and I was watching a horror movie, and I don't feel like getting sued for copyright issue. So we got a lot of stuff in our yard right now. I know I haven't made a vlog in about a week. The reason is because we have started our new classes at school. I just had too much stuff to do. And, yeah. I actually have homework and I haven't done it yet. I got to get to it. He just tried to open the door. I need to shave. But that dog just tried to open the door. It ain't that cold out here. I'll tell you what, sure is a beautiful day outside. Cold and beautiful day. Anyway, guys. A class I'm taking right now is geometry. And geometry is kicking me in the butt because it's so difficult to do. I hate geometry and I haven't even been in it in a freaking month. But today is the last day of January, and so I said, you know what? I'm gonna go make a vlog. Last day of February, go ahead and make a vlog. And I want to show the dude, Puppy. His name came down to 3 different names. We had Duke, Luke, and I think Bo. There's Jordan. Hey, Jordan. Hey, Jordan, baby. He's shaking. It is cold out here. You want to go outside? Huh? You want to go outside? Go outside. You want to come? You want to stay in there? Max, I wouldn't let my dog Max come outside, but he would freeze out here. Because like I said, he was born with a condition where he won't grow as much fur as most dogs do. So when it's freezing outside, he stays inside. Guys, I have something in my nose. I don't know what it is, but it hurts like crazy to touch. Even the slightest push on it and it hurts. And so, drop it.
Come on, dude. Can you get it? Dude, come on.
Come on, Duke.
You get away.
Duke, you want to go outside? I'm trying to get him to where he'll be used to outside. Come on, buddy. You want to go outside? I don't think he wants to go outside. Come on, you want to go outside? Come on. Come on, Bo. I mean, Duke. Come on, Duke. Come on, Dookie. He don't want to come outside.
Come outside and try to take the bath.
Come on. Come on, Duke. He won't come to me. Alright, I can't chase him anymore because if I do, he's going to go under my mom and dad's bed. Come on, Duke. Come on, Duke.